Let's start with page number 50. Senior Antonio, many a time and often in the Rialto you have rated me. Now Shylock is talking to Antonio, who is asking him to give money 3,000 ducats to Bassanio. Senior Antonio, many a time and often you in the Rialto. Rialto is a Venetian stock exchange where all the merchants meet and merchandise their things. You have rated me, abused me about my money and my interest taking practices. Still have I borne it. I have borne it with patience. For patience is the badge of all our tribe. Sufferance means patience is a badge of our tribe. You call me misbeliever. You have called me non-believer, a cutthroat dog. You have spat upon my Jewish robe. You have spat upon my Jewish robe, and for all use of that which is mine own, and for the money which is mine, for the interest which I was putting on the people, for my own money. Well, then, it now appears you need my help. Now I feel you need my help. You have come to me to take 3,000 ducats for your friend. Go to them, you come to me, you say, Shylock, we would have money. Okay, now you have come to me for money. You say, so you that did void your ruin. You are asking me for money. The one who has spat upon my beard is given here. You that did void your ruin, spit upon my beard. You and foot me, kicked me like a strange dog. Okay, you have kicked me like a stray dog. Clear? Over your threshold, over your from your house. Monies is your suit. Now money is your demand. What should I say to you? Should I not say, hath a dog money? You have called me a dog. Has a dog money? Means, can a dog lend you money? Is it possible a cur can lend 3,000 ducats? Okay, a dog can lend 3,000 ducats. Or shall I bend low in a bondsman key with bated breath and whispering humbleness? Okay, he say, or shall I bow low and in a humble voice, with submissive voice, and you say, noble sir, last Wednesday you pushed me out of you spat on me. Another day you have pushed me out of the way. Another time you called me a dog. Because of these acts so called politeness, shall I lend you the money you want? Clear? Again, shall I bend low? Shall I bend low? Get low means bend low in a bondsman key, in a humble voice, with bated breath, submissive voice, say, and whispering humbleness, say, fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday. You had spat on me on Wednesday, and spurned me, kicked me another time. You called me a dog. You had called me a dog. Because of these acts of politeness, shall I lend you the money you need? Clear? Now, bache, here we come to know that Shylock had insulted Antonio a lot, and today he needs money for his friend Bassanio, and he wants to take the money from Shylock, to whom he had exploited too much. Now, beta, next page number 52. Antonio, I am as like to call thee so again. Antonio says, I am going to call you so again. The same thing again. To spit on you, to kick you the way I did earlier. If thou will lend this money, lend it not to a friend but to your enemy. Are you clear? He said, I'm going to say you again. I'm going to say you the same thing again. I'm likely to call you the same again. He has called him a dog and spit on you again. If you lend me, if you and kick you again, okay? So if you lend me this money, lend it not to your friend, thy friend. For when did friendship breed for barren metal of his friend? Because a friend never lends money. A friend never lends money. So here, but lend it rather to thine enemy. Lend the money to me as if I were your enemy. If I should fail to pay the money, if he break, thou mayest with better face exact the penalty. If I fail to pay money, you can take any penalty from me. Again, I am likely to call you so again. He had called him a dog. To spit on thee again, again I will spit on you. To spurn thee, to I'll push you aside, miss, kick you aside. If thou will lend this money, lend it not as to thy friend. If you want to lend money, don't lend to your friend. For when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend? Because when did a friend lend money to a friend in order to make financial profit? Okay, lend the money to me as if I were your enemy. If Antonio fails to pay money, mayest with better face exact the penalty. You take any penalty. Shylock, why look you how you storm? Why you get angry? I would like to be friends with you. Shylock says, why are you getting angry? I just want to be a friend. And that you have stained with me. Forget the shames that you have stained with me. Okay, forget the insults which you had given to me. Supply your present wants. Just tell me your present wants, your immediate need, and take no doubt of uses for my money. You will not bear me. This is kind I offer. I will give you what you have asked without interest. Okay, and this is actually a kindness which I offer to you. Why look you how you storm? Now see, you're losing your temper. Why are you getting angry? I would be friends with you. I just want to be friend. I just want to be your friend and have your love. I want your love. Forget the shames. You forget all the shames, all the insult that you have given it to me. Just tell me your present wants and take no doubt of uses of my money. I will not take any interest from you. You will not hear me. This is kind I offer, and this is actually kindness which I am going to show to you. Bassanio, this were kindness, that would indeed be kindness. Shylock, this kindness will I show. Go with me to a notary, go with me to a lawyer. Seal me there, Miss Maker, let me enter into a bond, an agreement. Your single bond in a merry spot. Single bond, one bond, okay, and in a merry spot, particular spot. If you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as I expressed in the condition. Now Shylock asked him to come to a notary. Let's both of them go to a lawyer. Seal me there. Let they enter into an agreement, a single bond, in a particular spot, in a particular day, and particular place. If Antonio fails to pay the money, okay, expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated by an equal pound of your fair flesh. He says, if